Artificial intelligence (AI) refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. AI systems can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as problem-solving, decision-making, and understanding natural language, and recognizing patterns, and adapting to changing circumstances. Here are some key concepts to help you understand AI. Machine learning, a subset of AI, creates algorithms for computers to learn from data and make predictions or decisions. It eschews explicit programming for tasks and relies on data to enhance performance. Techniques include neural networks, decision trees, and support vector machines. Natural language processing (NLP) is a branch of AI that focuses on enabling machines to understand, interpret, and generate human language. NLP applications include chatbots, sentiment analysis, language translation, and voice assistants like Siri and Alexa. Computer vision involves training machines to interpret and understand visual information from the world, such as images and videos. This is crucial for applications like facial recognition, object detection, and self-driving cars. AI ethics include the development and deployment of AI raise ethical concerns, including issues related to bias, privacy, job displacement, and the responsible use of AI technologies. Ethical AI practices involve ensuring fairness, transparency, and accountability in AI systems. AI is a rapidly evolving field with the potential to revolutionize various industries. Researchers are continually pushing the boundaries of AI capabilities, and its future applications are likely to be even more diverse and impactful. Will AI take away jobs? The impact of AI on jobs is a complex and multifaceted issue. AI and automation have the potential to both create and eliminate jobs. The impact of AI on employment can vary widely across different regions and socioeconomic groups, potentially exacerbating inequalities. In summary, while AI has the potential to displace certain jobs, it can also create new opportunities, transform existing roles, and enhance productivity.